In this guide, we're going over how you can unlock and use the skill tree here in Cellular Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you are going to need to make your way over to Slime Island. So interact with the teleporter and go ahead and teleport over to Slime Island. And once you're here, make your way towards the center of the area. Just keep in mind you need to be level 7,000 and you're going to need at least 1,000 gems before even unlocking it. But essentially, make your way to the middle of the map. You're going to see this little skill tree NPC right here. Interact with them. And then, of course, this is where you can go ahead and unlock the skill tree. Now, what this does is allow you to spend skill points on 5 stats. You have luck, which gives you better drops. Of course, you have crit chance, crit damage, HP percent, and damage percent as well. Each stat has 5 different upgrade levels with increasing costs. So it's best really to focus on damage percent and crit stats, even though I love the luck stats the most. And you can get skill points because you get 1 point every 250 enemy kills. So just farm groups of mobs, not bosses, and you should get this pretty quickly. It really is that simple. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you guys do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.